5 big secrets men hide from you. What are the 5 big secrets men hide from you? And these secrets, men uses this secret to choose a perfect woman for them. These secrets are the best way that once a woman expresses it, it makes a man attractive and it makes a man to choose you as the right woman. So these secrets are what men hide from you, and once you express them over any man, he will choose you as the best woman. In today's video, that is what you are going to learn. Once you can express all these secrets, once you can adopt these secrets and practice them, you will have the perfect man beside you and you can easily hook up. Number 1 is that men like woman who understands them easily. Yes, every man hold on or stick with a woman that understands him very easily. Simple. So if you are a woman out there, and you have the ability to understand a man, I promise you and I bet you that that man will love you and that man will stick with you. Men like women that understands them easily. Maybe when he make a sign for you to understand, you grab it. When you are in public and he make a sign for you, you understand and do what he asks you to do. Through that sign, you are the best woman for him. So men love women that understands them easily. Number 2 is that men loves women that respects them. Allow a man to practice or to carry out his decision when both of you are living together. Allow a man to exercise his power. And once a man exercises his power, or once a man expresses his power when both of you are living together, that man will definitely love you. Men love to express power. Men love to exercise or to show that everything is in their hand. But when you oppose them, that is when the consequences and the misunderstanding starts to come. So allow every man with you to express his power as a man. Allow every man to express his authority. It makes that man to show, it makes that man to know that he is a man, and it makes every man to be contented as a man. And every man likes a woman that allows them to express their power as a man. So learn to allow every man to express his power when he feel like to express it, and that man will love you. Number 3 secrets men hide is that men like women that walk attractively. Men love women that walk majestically, and the way you walk attracts a man. Once you make a good walking, it attracts men. The more you walk perfectly, attractively, the more you are attracting a man towards you. So men like women that walk majestically. 4 secrets men hide from you is that men like women that speaks fluently. Once you can express yourself in public, once you can defend yourself in public, when both of you maybe attend an occasion, party, or so many ceremonies out there, you can be able to defend yourself. You can be able to express who you are, where you came from, and what you are doing. Men like women that speak fluently, or women that can express themselves anywhere, anytime, any day. So if you are a woman out there, learn to express yourself when you are in public. Learn to tell people who you are when the need arises. Men like women who can express or defend themselves in public. You don't need to wait for your man to define who you are to his friend, or you don't need to wait for your man to speak for you. You have to speak for yourself. You have to say who you are. You have to show people that yes, when your man is not around, you can carry out any activities and you can defend yourself in his absence. So men like women who can speak or who can express themselves perfectly. Number 5, and the last secret men hide is that men like women that know how to prepare a delicious meal. Yes. Do you know that a good food can attract a man? A man can travel from here to far away just because of delicious meal, just because of 1 or 2 things to eat. Good food attracts men, and good food makes men to be happy. So if you are a woman and you can prepare a good meal or a delicious food for a man, he will stick to you and he will love you. So learn to prepare a delicious meal, a good food for your man. He will love you. Sorry. He will love you and he will always like to be with you. I hope you like this video and I hope you get the secrets. Thank you for watching, and make sure that you hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good content like this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment below, let me know what you think. If you enjoyed this video, comment, and if you have any questions, put it in the comment section below. I promise that I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.